Okay, so hello everyone and welcome to my channel Graphic Icon. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create this bird icon logo using Inkscape. So first of all let's open the Inkscape. Okay, so first let's set up our document properties. So document properties and display into pixel, turn on the page border. Now make sure you have custom selected in the view tab and zoom must be 100%. So now for this let me open this fill and stroke menu and alignment and distribution menu. Okay, so first of all let's make a rectangle, sorry, square. Okay, like this. I'm going to duplicate this. Like this, and now I will just change its color, any light shade. Like this. Okay, now I will press shift, click on this and path difference like this, and now I will keep it aside. I will take this circle, I will draw a circle. Okay, I will duplicate this and I will duplicate it again. You can right click the mouse and duplicate it from here also. Now I will change this color to darker shade like this. Okay, I will duplicate this again. I will put it here like this, and now I will duplicate this, press shift and click on this and difference. Now we click on this, duplicate, press this by pressing shift and difference. Okay, I will make it of red color like this. Now I will move it below. I will duplicate this. I will move it one layer down, and I am gonna duplicate this. Click on this, path, intersection. Okay, now I am gonna click on this, and actually I'm gonna delete this one and click on this, move upwards, push it. I will duplicate this, click on the circle and intersection like this. Okay, like this. Now I will click on this. Actually I will duplicate this and duplicate this also. Click on this, press shift, click on this, and now path, intersection. So I will get this, I will increase its width. I will turn this off on snap cups nodes like this, and I put it here. Okay, like this. Now I will duplicate this, click on this, difference. Now I will duplicate this, click on this, difference. Okay, like this. I will delete this and I will delete, no, I will not delete this. I will just make it size small and put it here. Okay, like this. I think it's good. And press shift, click on the red crescent and difference like this. Now I will make a rectangle. Make sure you have this star selected and corners 3, focus 0.7 and rounded 0.2. Okay. Now I will go to path, object to path. I will click this edit by path node. I will make this and I will delete these nodes. I will delete these nodes. Like this. Okay. Now I will make it size small. Like this. I will put it here, duplicate it, press shift, click on this and different. And I will do same like this. In few areas I will do like this also. Okay, so like this, and now it's time to fill the colors. Here you have to fill this 3, F, B, 4, A, triple F, this shade. I will make it opacity, and the same shade you have to give this to the border. I will copy this code and press it to I will copy it here. Okay, I will copy this and paste it here like this. I will make it opacity. Okay, I will make it red and I will make it pink. Okay, like this. I will just make decrease its size.